Show you how to create a free trial bot on Yardi AI. So we're gonna go ahead and go in. First thing we got to do is we got to go into the knowledge bases, and we got to create a knowledge base. And what that does is basically tell the bot what it's supposed to do and what it's supposed to know based on whatever documents you upload to it. So I'm going to call this the test document or test knowledge base. And we're going to make it a company-wide knowledge base for now. And we're going to put testing KB. Once you create that knowledge base, it's going to take you into the configure screen where we're going to select this to be a sales knowledge base. So for the sales ones, you're going to pick an appointment scheduler, which can do demos, appointments, bookings, viewings, etc. Automatically schedules them to your calendar. External support is for creating support tickets, and internal support is for internal support tickets for your own company. So for right now, we're going to select appointment scheduler. I'm going to generate the code for that. And you can edit this, your meeting duration, your time zone, if you want to collect a phone number or not, how many days out on your calendar it wants to look, what your time slots are, etc. And you can also edit the tool a little bit further than that. For now, for this video, we're not really going to do that yet, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose a file. You can choose PDFs, Word docs, text documents, basically anything that's in text format. We can take up to 10 gigabytes, which is pretty unheard of as far as turning documents into readable vector embeddings for AI to read. So once you go ahead and choose your file here, I'm going to select just a basic file. You can go ahead and you can click the upload button. It's going to start processing that document. It'll put it into a pending status while it's working on the back end, and then it'll kick it out as completed when it's done. I'm going to go ahead and save this and close out the knowledge base. Once we've done that, we can go into the chatbot screen. And if you haven't had a chatbot before, you go ahead and start the free trial. Once you click that button, it's going to take you into another screen. Now keep in mind, there's no credit card required for this. It's free for 7 days. You pick your user that you want to give it to. This one is a sales bot, so it's got to be external, right? You're not going to sell your internal your staff. So once you click external facing, you're going to go in, and this one's for sales, and we'll name it our test sales bot. And sometimes if you just created a knowledge base, it won't show right away, so we'll refresh here, and now it showed up. There's our test knowledge base. We're going to go ahead and click start the free trial. Once you do that, you can go in here and hit configure, and you can further customize how the bot's supposed to respond. You can even ask the support bot on our site of how or what you should put in there. You want to set an email provider for basically sending you confirmation emails and your customer confirmation emails. And then you definitely need to set up a calendar provider. Right now we are integrated with Google Calendar and Calendly, so you can select a calendar provider, and then the AI is going to automatically schedule stuff on your calendar. And if you want to connect like HubSpot or Zendesk, HubSpot, you can click a button and it'll connect you with them to share data back and forth. You can also go in here. Notice how there's a URL. This is a custom URL that you can also add on your bot, and that'll allow you to not have a website. Basically, it's a standalone bot that somebody can go into and visit and talk to. You can also customize your bot here, and you can basically make it any color you want. You know, if you wanted to make it green and, you know, yellow and, you know, blue. I don't know if that's a good color combo or not, but we'll roll with it. You can see how that works. You can customize the avatar on there. You can put in whatever picture you want, a picture of, you know, your logo or your face or shot or whatever you want to do there. You can customize the button text, all of that good stuff. And then on the preview, it'll kind of show you, it'll ask if you want an inline style widget or if you want a pop-up style widget. So both of them are pretty cool. If you close it out, it'll show you the text on it for the pop-up too. You can go ahead and save that, and now, boom, that's all it takes. You can now copy this widget code and you just paste it on your website. If you need help doing that, that's something we do for you for free. So feel free to reach out to us if you need help installing the widget on your site, or if you want to just give people the link, you can do that too. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Thank you very much.